all of you. I'm Teacher Elena Misain, and I and my groupmates will tackle about Module 15, entitled Management Organization. I will do...
Should.
Good day to all of you. I'm Teacher Elena Misain. I and my groupmates will tackle about Module 15, entitled Management Organization. I will discuss need for organizational change, organizational development, and assumption. Under the need for organizational change, managing organization has become an increasingly complex and demanding task. The impact of the foreign competition in the economy and the changing lifestyles of workforce have all served to dramatically increase pressures on managers to alter both the character and the performance of their organization. Organizational change is undertaken to improve the performance of the organization on the part of the organization. For example, a process or a team. U.S. managers are focusing on themselves, their styles and management, their values, the organization culture. They create the role of the employees in decision making, the patterns of excellence in U.S. companies, and so on. This self-reflection has become an important stimulus for organizational change. Organizational development. It consists of values, assumptions, theories, and techniques, and oriented towards a planned change of organization. It is the attempt to influence the members of an organization to expand their candidness with each other about their views of the organization and their experience in it, and to take greater responsibility for their own actions as organization members. It is a system-wide application of behavioral science, knowledge to be planned, development, and reinforcement of organizational strategies, structures, processes for improving an organization's effectiveness. It is a body of knowledge and practice that enhances organizational performance and individual development. Viewing the organization as a complex system of systems that exists within a large system, each of which has its own attributes and degrees of alignment.